Hey guys, and welcome to this brand new video. Quickly, if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. So today we're going to talk about how to generate leads for business with Clickfunnels. So as you can see, I'm here in my Clickfunnels dashboard, and to generate a new funnel, we click on Build Funnel. Then it will take us to the introduction page, and we can select our goals. So do we want to collect emails, sell a product, host a webinar? And today we want to collect emails, so we come to collect emails and we can choose a template. I quickly name this test funnel, click on build funnel, and now we can select a template. One second. So you can see here you have your opt-in page and your thank you page. And white here you can select email opt-in, and you have a bunch of templates down here. As you can see, there are a bunch of templates. Usually for lead generation, it's better to have a very simple page with only a headline and a submit button. So that's the reason because why I like this page. This one, the big blur opt-in, but you can select any one of these. And I already have a funnel for opt-in. It looks like this. And as you can see, there's only a headline, a small subheadline, enter the first name and the email address, and then you can click to get the free gift. And you also can download this template down below, so there will be a link where you can download this funnel. I quickly want to show you how this looks. It's this one. And when you have downloaded my funnel, this one, or you already choose a template, you can click on edit page. And now, as you can see, you can edit the different things. So for example, you can change the headline, whatever you want. You can change the subheadline, you can add new elements, for example a headline, subheadline, a paragraph. But as I said, it's the opt-in rate will be higher when it's simple and there's nothing what can confuse people. Also, for example, you can change the background, and you can upload an image by yourself, or you select the template from here. So for example, if you want this white background, you can say add image and the background is changed. Also, you can change the text. You simply click on that and you change the button text, and here you can change the color. Yeah, you can also change the theme of the button, but what's important for generating leads is that you set up the integration. So as you can see, I have connected GetResponse, and I quickly want to show you that. To connect your integration, you have to come to your account settings, then you come down to integrations, and as you can see, I've connected GetResponse over here, and all my leads I'm generating with this page will land in my GetResponse account. So as you can see, I'm getting the contacts from Clickfunnels into my GetResponse account, and you connect it, like you click on Add New Integration, search for GetResponse over here, and then you follow the instructions. Also, it's important, as you can see, I don't know, you can't see it, but the custom domain, you will get a free domain from Clickfunnels, but this one will be blah 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 your name, app.clickfunnels.com, so everybody will see that you are using Clickfunnels. And I recommend Bluehost as domain host, and as you can see, it's pretty cheap, and you get free SSL and a free domain for your first year. So it's pretty cheap, and you get a 30-day money-back guarantee, because it's important to have a professional domain, and you can get it here for nearly $4. So it's really cheap. And to integrate the domain, you come back to account settings. So after creating your account with Bluehost, you click on Get Started, you make your account, you come to Domains, and as you can see, I already have 2 subdomains, but they are domains because I have 2 online shops, and I connected Clickfunnels as subdomain, but you click on Add New Domain, and then you can choose Add Your Own Domain, and Bluehost will show you how to connect them. So you have to enter your email, add domain, and then Clickfunnels have some instructions on how to integrate. But now I'll show you how you connect the domain with your funnel, because you have multiple funnels in your Clickfunnels account. And to choose the right domain, you come to your funnel, you go to Settings, and as you can see, here's domain. You can choose your domains, and that's it. So yeah, please keep in mind the opt-in page has to be simple. So a simple headline and the submit form with the email address, and that's it. So yeah, and there was another thing to. After integrating GetResponse with your Clickfunnels account, you have to integrate it also in your funnel. So you come to Settings, Integration, and then you choose your integration. So GetResponse, Add to Campaign, and then you choose your list. And that's it. So it's pretty easy to generate leads with Clickfunnels, because it's so easy to create an opt-in page. And also you can download this page down below. So you only have to upload it to your Clickfunnels account, or if you have no Clickfunnels account, you can create one for free. And yeah, so you have your simple opt-in page. Create your Bluehost account, get your domain, pretty cheap. Get your GetResponse account, and you're ready to go. I hope you liked this video. Please leave a like and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. So we see us in the next video.